In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a crankshaft vibration dampener on your Honda Accord. This will be located on the passenger side of the motor. Let's get started. Using a 15mm wrench, we're going to get on the tensioner pulley, take the tension off. We're going to pull the belt off of the generator. You can let the tension off the tensioner. We're going to fully remove this belt. I'm going to use a 19mm socket on an impact and remove the crank pulley bolt. Once you take the crank pulley bolt out, double check your timing marks, be sure they're still all lined up, and then remove the crank pulley. We're going to wiggle this side to side until it pops off. Install the crankshaft dampener. Install the pulley bolt. While holding the crankshaft, we're going to torque the bolt to 47 foot-pounds. And then we're going to go 60 degrees. You can make a mark on the bolt. Once you've hit 60 degrees, you're good to go. Pull the belt back over. Be sure it's sitting on all of the pulleys correct. Use our 15mm wrench. Reinstall the belt.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.